Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hrj Originals, and today we are going to do the unboxing of the wireless audio receiver. Let's get straight into the video and see what are the box contents. So let's break the seal and see the box contents. The first thing you get in the box is the Bluetooth audio receiver, the micro USB cable used for charging, and an auxiliary cable. And this is the user manual which gives quick start information about the Bluetooth audio receiver. And this is pretty much it that you get in the box. And let me show you now how can you connect this device to your smartphone. First thing you have to do is press and hold this power button. This red and blue light indicates that it is in the pairing mode, and now you have to do is bring your smartphone and pair a new device. Now at the top of the list you will see the Bluetooth receiver. Click on the Bluetooth receiver and select pair. Now the smartphone is paired with your Bluetooth audio receiver. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.